Hello, my name is Sarah. I am from the UK. I'm currently living in South Yorkshire and I work in West Yorkshire. I've lived all over the UK and I've also stopped over for quite considerable periods all over the world. So sometimes my accent will sound northern, sometimes it'll sound southern, other times it'll sound like I've lived in Australia for 20 years. I'm in my 30s and I've done quite a lot of travelling around the world. I once met a girl from Hong Kong when I was living in Australia, and I helped her learn English. I mean, she spoke phenomenally, but she wanted to hone some of those bits of her language, and that was a really lovely experience. I really enjoyed conversing with her and seeing her language just really crisp up. It was very nice. Helping people with either really severe learning disabilities to really severe mental health issues. But I stepped away from that 5 years ago and I now work on the railway. I am a railway signaller and I am the only female railway signaller in the entirety of West Yorkshire in England. There's nothing really much else to say about me at the moment. I'm just working very hard. I've renovated my own house. And I have a dog who you might see wandering around in the back. Hopefully I'll get to know you more and you'll get to know me more as we do these lessons.